Have you ever gone to bed feeling fine, but then woken up the next morning with high blood sugar levels, wondering what went wrong overnight? You're not alone. Many diabetics experience early morning spikes in blood sugar, and the reasons can be surprising: stress hormones, poor nighttime routines, even dehydration. But what if I told you that there are simple, natural bedtime drinks that can actually support your body overnight and keep your blood sugar levels balanced while you sleep? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Alina Grace. In this video, we're diving into a topic that's not often talked about enough: the powerful impact of bedtime drinks on diabetes management. I'll be sharing with you 7 of the best bedtime drinks that are not only delicious and calming, but are also scientifically supported to help stabilize blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote restful sleep, which is absolutely vital for diabetics. So grab a notepad, get cozy, and stay with me till the end, because drink number 7 might just surprise you. Let's begin. Let's talk about the first one. Cinnamon tea. This humble spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but did you know that cinnamon contains a compound called which has been shown to mimic insulin and increase glucose uptake by the cells? When you make a warm cinnamon tea before bed, especially by boiling a cinnamon stick in water for 10 minutes, you're doing more than just sipping on something comforting. You're helping your body process glucose more efficiently overnight. Cinnamon tea can also help reduce insulin resistance, improve digestion, and relax the nervous system, making it the perfect blood sugar-friendly NIGHTCAP. Studies have shown that consuming 1 to 6 grams of cinnamon daily can reduce fasting blood sugar by up to 29% in some individuals. That's significant. For best results, drink cinnamon tea 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Make sure you use Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, which has lower coumarin levels and is safer for long-term use. Let's move on to number 2. And this one is a gentle favorite: chamomile tea. You might already know chamomile tea for its relaxing, sleep-inducing properties, but there's more to it. Chamomile contains antioxidants like apigenin, which not only calm the brain and body but also reduce inflammation and lower blood sugar levels. A clinical trial conducted in Iran found that participants who drank chamomile tea 3 times daily for 8 weeks had significantly reduced HbA1c levels and improved insulin levels. That's amazing. Chamomile also helps fight oxidative stress, which is a key factor in the progression of diabetes-related complications like neuropathy, kidney issues, and even vision problems. So if you're dealing with both stress and diabetes, which, let's be honest, go hand in hand for many, then this drink is your ally. Drink a warm cup of chamomile tea about 30 minutes before bedtime to calm the body, stabilize sugar, and improve sleep quality. Next up, a traditional remedy that may sound unusual but is surprisingly effective: garlic-infused water. Yes, garlic. Before you frown, hear me out. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur-containing compound that has potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and glucose-lowering properties. Here's how to prepare it. Crush 1 to 2 fresh garlic cloves and let them sit for 10 minutes. This activates the allicin. Then place them in a glass of warm water. Let it steep for a few minutes and drink it like a tonic. While the taste might not be pleasant for everyone, the results are worth it. Garlic has been shown to reduce fasting blood glucose, improve cholesterol levels, and enhance insulin sensitivity. And drinking it at night allows your body to absorb its properties while you sleep, when your liver and other organs are actively detoxifying. If you can't tolerate garlic water, you can even add crushed garlic into warm lemon water for a more balanced flavor. That brings us to drink number 4, a golden, soothing, anti-inflammatory bedtime favorite: turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. Turmeric is a superstar when it comes to reducing inflammation, improving insulin sensitivity, and supporting liver function, all critical components of blood sugar control. The key compound here is curcumin, which has been shown to reduce blood glucose levels, enhance beta cell function, and even delay the onset of type 2 diabetes in prediabetic individuals. To prepare this, simply warm a glass of unsweetened almond or low-fat milk and add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, which boosts absorption. Optional, a small cinnamon stick or a few drops of vanilla for taste. Turmeric milk is especially effective for diabetics who deal with inflammation, joint pain, or poor sleep. It's calming, delicious, and a powerful way to heal your body overnight. Drink it 45 minutes before bed and feel your body melt into rest. Next on the list is a lesser-known but potent diabetic drink, and that's fenugreek seed water. Fenugreek seeds, or methidana, are a natural powerhouse for blood sugar control. They contain galactomannan, a type of soluble fiber that slows down the absorption of sugar and carbs. They also contain compounds that improve insulin sensitivity. To make it, soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight. Warm it slightly before bed and drink the water. You can chew the seeds too if you like. Several studies have shown that fenugreek consumption significantly reduces fasting glucose, post-meal glucose, and HbA1c levels. What's especially impressive is that this drink also supports digestion, reduces appetite, and helps manage cholesterol levels, making it a full-spectrum health booster. If you've been struggling with fasting glucose levels in the morning, give this a try for a few weeks. The results can be incredible. Now let's talk about something many of you already have in your kitchen, but might not be using at the right time. Apple cider vinegar in warm water. Apple cider vinegar, especially with the mother, contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce the glycemic response after meals and increase insulin sensitivity by up to 34%, especially when consumed before bed. To prepare this, mix 1 tablespoon of raw, organic apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water. You can add a dash of cinnamon or lemon if the flavor is too strong. Drink this about 30 minutes before bedtime, and let your liver work with it overnight. This simple drink can also help reduce sugar cravings, improve digestion, and support fat metabolism, all of which are essential for long-term blood sugar control. However, make sure not to overdo it. 1 tablespoon a day is sufficient, and it's best to drink it through a straw or rinse your mouth afterward to protect your teeth. Finally, we arrive at drink number 7, one that combines beauty, flavor, and powerful health benefits: hibiscus tea. Hibiscus isn't just a vibrant, fragrant flower. When steeped as a tea, it creates a tart, cranberry-like flavor that's rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help reduce blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. Hibiscus tea has been shown in clinical trials to improve fasting blood glucose and enhance insulin function, especially when consumed consistently over weeks. And unlike many sweetened teas, hibiscus tea is naturally sugar-free, caffeine-free, and perfect for a bedtime ritual. Plus, its mild diuretic properties help reduce water retention and bloating, which can be common in people with metabolic syndrome. To prepare, simply steep dried hibiscus petals or a tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it warm, about 45 minutes before bed. It's one of my personal favorites, not just for its flavor, but for how beautifully it supports the body in multiple ways. Now here's the best part. Each of these drinks is powerful on its own, but if you want a supercharged effect, try rotating them across the week or even combining compatible ones, like chamomile and cinnamon, or turmeric and fenugreek, into one bedtime routine. And always remember, while these drinks are supportive, they are not a substitute for prescribed medication. Always monitor your blood sugar and speak with your healthcare provider before making any drastic changes. That said, I've seen remarkable improvements in my patients simply by adopting a consistent, healing nighttime routine with these drinks. Sleep is not just rest, it's recovery, regulation, and repair. Give your body the tools it needs to do that. So, which of these bedtime drinks will you try first? Cinnamon tea, turmeric milk, fenugreek water, or perhaps hibiscus? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed tips to manage your diabetes naturally. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'm Dr. Alina Grace. And until next time, stay well, stay informed, and take care of your beautiful body.